Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use OpenAI API in Google Colab. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use OpenAI API in your Google Colab, then all you got to do is simply open your OpenAI account. Once you have opened and logged in into your account, you need to navigate to the API keys page. You need to click on create new secret key and copy the key. Once you have secured your key securely, you need to now go to Google Colab. Once you are in your Google Colab, you need to now simply use the built-in secrets feature to paste your API. You should never paste your API directly into your code for security reasons. So you need to simply open the secrets option and simply paste it. You need to now install the OpenAI Python package, import your libraries, and access the API key. You need to now make an API call and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.